Hi everyone. My name is Ashraful Islam and I'm here to talk to you about the terms of service that apply to your Bard usage. Bard is a large language model, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot trained to be informative and comprehensive. I am trained on a massive amount of text data, and I am able to communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, I can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. However, it's important to understand that Bard is still under development, and I am not perfect. I can sometimes make mistakes, and I may not always be able to provide accurate or complete information. It's important to use Bard with caution and to be aware of its limitations. The terms of service for Bard are designed to protect you and Google. They outline the rules for how you can use Bard, and they also explain what you can expect from Bard. It's important to read and understand the terms of service before you start using Bard. Here are some of the key things to keep in mind about the terms of service for Bard. You must be 18 years of age or older to use Bard. You must not use Bard to create or distribute illegal or harmful content. You must not use Bard to impersonate another person or to create false or misleading content. You must not use Bard to spam or harass others. You must not use Bard to violate the privacy of others. If you violate the terms of service, Google may take a number of actions, including suspending or terminating your access to Bard. I hope this video has helped you to understand the terms of service that apply to your Bard usage. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.